Bueno, ahora viene el fun part. Well, for me. Mucha gente no le gusta hacer esto, pero a mí me gusta hacer el cable managing. What is cable managing, you ask? Bueno, pues cable managing es manejando la caballería, básicamente. So, vamos a poner esto to a height in which all of you could appreciate. There we go. Let's begin. Oye, Aitel, te habías dicho que tú necesitabas un wireless card. Para coger internet wireless. ¿Necesitas? Ok, pues hay que comprarlo mañana entonces.
Bueno, no estoy seguro.
Ya me puse esto.
Nice.
It's always gonna be on high.
¿Y eso viene?
¿Ah?
Vino con...
No, eso viene con esto.
Por eso, porque vino con algo. Lo compramos.
Ya. gotta change this one too. Let's see. De pie.
Sí, no, y después, diablo, look, si es el blue.
El más que mandó nuestro equipo.
Ese build mierda, Aitel. Para hacer builds mierda. ¿Qué? Rompí todo. No, yo te rompo la cara, maricón. Mira cómo va a caer de lindo por dentro.
¡Está azul!
¿Ah?
Azul. ¿Y eso va ahí?
¿Qué cosa? Sí.
Qué gay.
¿Por qué? ¿Es eso solo?
Ajá. Fueron.
Eventualmente, comprate 2 drives cuando bajes el precio. Comprate 2 drives de 1 tera.
2 de 1 tera.
Cabrón, cuando los precios estaban bajitos, estaban a 50 pesos.
¿No avisa?
Y se te hace un raid y just put all your fucking information ahí para siempre.
¿Qué information?
Tú vas a tener eventualmente
Yeah.
música que nunca quieres que se te pierda, for example.
So, I'm back again. Computer's looking pretty nice.
In the front. Claro, ¿te lo has visto? ¿Viste la parte de atrás?
I don't know. I haven't seen the back part. Yeah, I mean, there's some cables and shit, but it's getting late. I don't even know where the fucking phone is. It's 1:27.
¿Te quieres ir?
No, we have till like 2:30. Como hasta las 2. 2:15, 2:30. A ver. Yeah, we should go actually. We're gonna call it a night cause I gotta work soon for 3 hours and a half. Damn, that sucks. Really sucks. So yeah, well, I gotta work, so we're gonna call it a night. It's taking normal time, I guess, for building a computer. At least we have the motherboard and the graphics card and the heatsink and the power supply and the hard drive.
Everything's on.
The hard drive también está puesto. And the hard drive. And RAM, obviously, because that's already into the motherboard. Now we're just doing the wiring, and after the wiring, we'll obviously get to the.
This is out.
Okay, no. So we just took out the graphics card. But basically, we're just missing the wiring, and after that, the programming. That'll take us about 3 hours of programming it. And at least 2 more hours of wiring and everything, which will probably get done tomorrow, depending on how tough my day goes and how much shit he has to do. But yeah, a lot of thanks to Paul Bandiwala, good services. You can probably contact him anywhere from around the world, and he'll make you a computer, and he'll just ship it to you. He tries to find the lowest prices on the pieces he possibly can. He buys some here in Puerto Rico where we live, and if they're cheap, and he buys some at newegg.com or places like that. So wherever you are around the world, he can probably even make it to you and make it and ship it to you. As you can see, he's a dedicated worker because he's been here straight. We haven't eaten anything since like 8, since like 7:30 to 8, and he hasn't taken any breaks. Neither have I from playing LOL. But
It doesn't count as work.
that doesn't count as work. That's true. But yeah, we're just gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'll give you one last shot of the camera of how it's looking so far, and we'll start recording again tomorrow. So he's doing some cable work there, which looks pretty decent. Let's see what it's. Okay.
Trying to hide all the cables.
Oh, okay. We don't have to hide the cables.
Sí, sí, porque se ve asqueroso después.
Okay.
I used to like cables everywhere, but
Okay. So again, review, power supply,
heatsink.
heat sink, graphics card, motherboard is in the back. Here's the SATA 3, 120 gigabytes, and we have ram right there. Those two little sticks, you can't really see them because it's too dark. And the fans, 2 more fans up here. And there's another fan in the front that came with the Enforcer. Now here we have like the mess of cables. That'll be taken care of tomorrow eventually.
¿Quieres prenderlo un momentito?
Yeah, let's just turn it on to see how it looks. To see all the fans on and everything. I still haven't seen it with the fans on. Let's see what he's grabbing over here. Okay, so it's gonna plug some cables in. Basically, when you, because maybe some of you are asking yourselves, when you cover this up, all these cables will have sufficient space. Because there's like a gap here. You see, I can put my finger in. But you cover that up, and all those cables will be there. So, just in case people didn't know that. Okay, just connected some, probably connecting the power supply and everything, just to turn it on and see what it looks like. I hope it looks red, because that's what it's meant to look like. And it will, better. And, yeah, what else? I mean... Here are all the other computers that clients either sell to him or give him or something. Some he has to repair, some he doesn't. Under the shelf there's more. A lot more. We even have that old Mac. Ugh.
It's a G3.
Mac. It's a G3. He can't say 3, he says tree. Tree, you see. He can actually say 3, but he just forgets.
3.
You see, he said 3. But he said, even when he's talking to people in English, he says like, oh, and you have to buy 3 of those. I was like, dude, you don't have to. If you translate it to Spanish, it's like, oh, you don't have to. No tienes que comprar 3 árboles. No, tienes que comprar árboles de eso. Yeah, sounds weird.
Mm.
I farted.
Ahí está.
Okay, so he got it good. Now where's my power button? Oh look, the tripod is standing in vertical mode, you see? No hands.
You are vertical.
Like it's not open, it's a tripod. It's just...
Voy a meter un cantazo, sácalo.
No dejo meter un cantazo nada, I'm watching it. Oh, it's fun. Okay, so he's being geeky there. Event, date, time, location. But dude, they were like, I'm not gonna talk about law. So me estaban jodiendo porque tenía un Lich Blade, Nashor's Tooth, Sorcerer's Boots, y después tenía un Rabadons. No, que si te tienes que ir full AP desde el principio, que si qué sé yo qué carajo. And I was just like trying to build porque esa son los recommended stuff. Y no, con todo eso se encojonaron. Estaba tú, lo mismo, tú, Coge la Guira, Metecabra, Steven y yo. That makes 5.
Okay, plug. Plug de ahí atrás. Plug. Está todo plug excepto el CD.
Y tú lo, can you like run that computer without playing the CD? Like it won't like explode. Wait, I was looking at this. This looks kind of like bagged. Does that? No.
Así es que.
Así es que, aunque y cuando le conecté algo así se ve bien tecato.
En verdad que todos son así.
Está bien. If you say so.
No se va a ver la pantalla ni nada. Simplemente es gonna power up.
Yeah. That what he said was basically that we're not gonna see the monitor or anything. We're just gonna power it up to see it shining red. Let's turn off the lights. Oh, we're in the dark.
Turn it on.
Oh wait, okay,
Let's
too
just
soon.
turn it.
Too soon. What? Too soon?
You have to hot wire it.
Oh, he has to hotwire it. He probably can't even hotwire a fucking car.
Oh, I can't.
No, he can't. You see? Noob. There we go.
Can you hot wire a computer?
No, but I can hotwire a car. So, okay, there's the computer. You can't really see anything except
Fuck
what,
yeah.
obviously it is shining red. Hold the camera. I'm just gonna turn the lights on. Okay, pretty fucking badass. There she blows. Giggity.
Sí, cabrón.
So there gets, yeah, we get a lot of red fan in the front, red fans here, 2 red fans on the top, bottom on the... Wait, we're missing a fan. Why? No.
Is it on?
Uh-oh. We have a damaged fan. Jolly. I'm gonna sue the guy we bought him from on eBay. Great.
No, it's damaged.
It is? Great, we got a damaged red fan. Well, I mean, we can just use a normal red one. That one. Yeah, well, I guess, yeah. It's alright. Or we can just like trade one from the power, from the cooler. Just trade one from the cooler unless you can fix it. The heatsink, my bad. Heatsink. Proper words, very important. We'll just trade one from the heatsink. Oh yeah, this is my League of Legends shirt. His little brother, my best friend, got it for me. That's the guy I use the most. It's called Singed. Badass.
Diré que estaba mal puesto.
AKA he thinks it was just like not put correctly. Hotwire that bitch. No hot wire required. No. Ah, damaged fan.
Sucks.
Oh well. I mean, well, what can we do?
Cry.
Yeah. Since we bought those on eBay, it's gonna be really tough for us to like contact the guy and be like, "Hey, bitch, you got us. You shipped us a broken fucking fan." So, what can we do? Anyways, we'll deal with this tomorrow, Paul. It's really fucking late. Or early. Depends where you're from. For me, it's too late. Because he doesn't have to wake up early in the morning, per se.
No.
Yeah, he hot-wired it, like, 3 times already. Didn't work. But fuck it, in Milad, dude. Don't get pissed because of it. I mean, everything else shines. Maybe it's just like one LED is fucked up.
No, a mí es que no nos venden local.